How does Hisense TV warranty work? Hisense TVs come with a limited warranty that covers manufacturing defects and faulty parts for a specified period. The warranty duration and terms may vary by region, retailer, and model, but most Hisense TVs include at least a 1-year warranty for parts and labor. First, standard warranty coverage. Hisense's standard warranty typically covers defective parts and workmanship issues that occur under normal use, screen malfunctions, power failures, and connectivity issues caused by manufacturing defects, repairs or replacements for faulty components at no extra charge during the warranty period. However, the warranty does not cover damage caused by accidents, misuse, unauthorized repairs, or normal wear and tear. 2. How to claim a warranty repair. If your Hisense TV develops an issue within the warranty period, follow these steps. Locate your proof of purchase, receipt or invoice, as it is required for the claim. Contact Hisense customer support through their website or phone number. Describe the issue and provide model and serial numbers. Hisense may offer troubleshooting steps before approving a repair or replacement. If necessary, you may need to take the TV to an authorized service center or arrange for home repair for larger TVs. 3. Extended warranty and retailer coverage. Some retailers offer extended warranty plans beyond the standard Hisense warranty. These plans may cover longer protection periods, up to 3 to 5 years, additional coverage for accidental damage or screen burns, faster replacements, or store credit options in case of irreparable issues. It's important to check the terms before purchasing an extended warranty to ensure it covers your needs. 4. Exclusions and Limitations. Hisense's warranty does not cover physical damage, water damage, or screen cracks caused by user error, unauthorized repairs or modifications that void the warranty, cosmetic issues like minor scratches or dead pixels unless exceeding a certain number, issues caused by power surges or improper installation. Hisense TVs come with a limited manufacturer's warranty that covers defects but excludes accidental damage. If you experience issues, contact Hisense support with your proof of purchase for a warranty claim. For added protection, consider an extended warranty from the retailer.